Let me ask you something uncomfortable. Why is it that in every other job, hard work gets rewarded, but in trading, the harder you try, the worse you seem to perform? You grind charts for 12 hours. You watch every candle like it owes you money. You analyze 5 time frames, 17 indicators, 3 mentors, and one guy on Twitter named Alpha Wolf FX. And what do you get? A blown account, a headache, and a deep emotional attachment to the delete account button. Meanwhile, some trader barely touches the charts, takes one trade, closes the laptop, and somehow ends the month profitable. So today we're talking about why hard work actually backfires in trading, why it kills profits, and why the traders who make it are often the laziest looking people in the room. And yes, this video might personally attack your work ethic, but it'll also save your account. Let's get into it. From day one, we're taught: work harder, outwork the competition, sleep when you're rich. That mindset works great if you're digging holes, running a business, training for a marathon. But trading? Trading is a decision-making game, not a labor game. The market doesn't reward effort. It doesn't care how long you stared at the chart. It doesn't clap because you skipped lunch to catch a 5-minute candle. The market only rewards good decisions. And here's the uncomfortable truth. The harder you work in trading, the worse your decisions usually become. Because hard work in trading usually looks like over-analyzing, over-trading, overreacting, and emotionally babysitting every candle like it's your child. You're not working harder. You're interfering more. Let's be honest. Nobody ever ruined their trading by being too patient, but thousands have ruined it by watching too much. The longer you sit in front of charts, the more patterns you imagine, the more rules you bend, the more trades you justify. After 6 hours of screen time, your brain starts whispering things like, "This doesn't exactly meet my rules, but it feels right." That's not intuition. That's fatigue dressed up as confidence. Hardworking traders don't realize they're slowly trading with less clarity, less discipline, more emotion. Your edge doesn't disappear suddenly. It dies one impulsive click at a time. Here's something nobody tells you. The more effort you put into a trade, the more emotionally attached you become to it. You've marked levels, drawn lines, waited all day. So when price goes against you, you don't think, "This trade is invalid." You think, "The market is wrong." And now you're not trading, you're defending your honor. This is how hard work creates moving stop losses, revenge trades, just one more trade syndrome. Lazy traders don't do this. Why? Because they don't care enough. And in trading, not caring is a superpower. Hard workers feel the need to be productive. So if the market is quiet, they don't wait. They force trades. Because doing nothing feels like being lazy, even though doing nothing is often the most profitable action. Overtrading usually sounds like, "I need to make today worth it. I've been waiting too long. There must be something here." Professional traders ask, "Is this my setup?" Hard-working traders ask, "How can I make this a setup?" Huge difference. One makes money. The other keeps brokers in business. Your edge only works under specific conditions. But when you grind, you trade outside your edge. You take suboptimal entries. You ignore context because effort replaces patience. Think of it like fishing. A good fisherman waits. A bad fisherman jumps into the water and punches the fish. Hard work doesn't improve your system. It dilutes it. The best traders protect their edge like it's fragile. Hard workers beat theirs to death. Here's the paradox nobody likes. The traders who make the most money trade less, think less, interfere less. They don't try to outsmart the market. They wait for the market to hand them permission. Their routine looks boring. Same setup, same risk, same execution. No adrenaline, no hero trades, no "I knew it" moments. And that's why it works. Trading isn't exciting when it's done right. If your trading feels intense, urgent, or dramatic, you're probably overworking it. Now let's be clear. This doesn't mean don't study, don't backtest. Don't improve. Hard work belongs outside market hours. Smart effort is backtesting one setup properly, reviewing trades calmly, building rules you can't break, walking away when conditions aren't right. Hard work during live trading is sabotage. Hard work before and after trading is where growth happens. Here's a simple checklist. If you want to stop killing your profits, limit screen time. Trade one setup. Set max trades per day. Accept boredom as a skill. Stop trying to make something happen. Your job isn't to trade. Your job is to wait for permission. The market doesn't reward hustle. It rewards discipline. It doesn't care how hard you work. It cares how well you wait. So if you're exhausted, frustrated, and overtrading, you're not lazy. You're trying too hard. And the moment you stop forcing it is usually the moment trading finally starts working. If this hit home, drop a comment. And remember, in trading, less effort isn't laziness. It's mastery.